Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best pre-workout gym is probably one of the most crucial supplements for anyone serious about maximizing their gym performance, acting as your secret weapon to unlock explosive energy, laser-sharp focus, and unparalleled endurance, ensuring that every rep counts and every session pushes your limits further than ever before. This powerful blend is designed to prime your body and mind, preparing you for the most demanding workouts and helping you achieve those fitness goals you've been striving for, making it an indispensable part of a dedicated training regimen. Number 5. Cellucor C4 Original Pre-Workout Powder Fruit Punch. Trusted since 2011, it's the leading pre-workout brand. We've delivered over 2 billion servings for advanced energy, endurance, and pumps. This formula is designed to support your strength and performance. It's crafted with a powerful creatine compound to help you achieve your goals. Push past your limits with our clinically studied beta-alanine. It's formulated to support muscular endurance and help fight fatigue. Experience a boost with 150 mg of caffeine. Our patented compound is designed to help your body prolong caffeine tolerance buildup for sustained energy. Enjoy a variety of delicious flavors like fruit punch, cherry limeade, and more. It's a sugar-free way to fuel your workout. This pre-workout also contains vitamin C for immune support. It's a great way to support your overall well-being while you train. What we like. This is America's #1 selling pre-workout brand, trusted since 2011. If you are looking for a pre-workout that supports your immune system while providing energy, this is the one. If you like delicious flavors, you should consider this. What people say. The mind sharpens, focus locks in like a blade drawn true, and the world narrows to barbell and breath. Muscles swell with purpose, pumps rise like siege engines, and endurance stands firm against the onslaught of rep after merciless rep. It provides a boost of energy without the common jitters. Number 4. Old School Labs Ultimate 2-Stage Pre-Workout. Unlock explosive energy and laser-sharp focus with our advanced pre-workout. Experience sustained power without the jitters or crash, keeping you dialed in for your entire session. Boost your strength and maximize muscle pumps with key ingredients like L-citrulline malate and beta-alanine. This formula is designed to enhance endurance and support peak performance for all fitness levels. Accelerate your recovery and support muscle function with our expertly crafted blend. It's perfect for anyone dedicated to improving their performance and endurance. Enjoy a refreshing and clean taste with our naturally flavored options. Choose from a variety of delicious flavors that make your pre-workout experience enjoyable. Formulated by a champion and made in the USA, this product ensures safe and effective results. It's a premium choice you can trust for your fitness journey. What we like. This pre-workout offers a unique timed caffeine release for sustained energy without the jitters or crash. If you are looking for a pre-workout that supports focus and endurance with natural ingredients, this is the one. If you prioritize fast recovery and muscle support, you should consider this. What people say. I get a better boost pump, and am finishing my workout stronger than on C4 without the fatigue. And I don't really crash afterward, either. The main ingredient is L-citrulline malate, which has been shown to improve blood levels of arginine even better than supplementing arginine itself. It also contains D-aspartic acid, a natural testosterone booster. Performance is solid. Definitely helped push more weight and kept me focused. Lasted throughout my workout and beyond, about an hour. Number 3. ProSupps Mr. Hyde Signature Pre-Workout. Unleash your potential with this powerful pre-workout. It's designed to boost your energy, sharpen your focus, and enhance blood circulation for peak muscle performance. Our transparent formula is packed with key ingredients like beta-alanine and creatine. Experience intense energy and muscle endurance when you need it most. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, trainer, or athlete, this supplement is perfect for anyone needing an extra edge. It's also great for those with physically demanding jobs. Made in the USA, this pre-workout is vegan, soy, and gluten-free. It contains no fillers, no banned substances, and no artificial dyes for clean energy. Simply measure 1 rounded scoop and mix with 8 ounces of water. Consume 15 to 30 minutes before your workout for optimal results. Do not exceed 2 scoops daily. Enjoy the refreshing blue raz flavor with 30 servings per container. Get ready to experience a new look and enhanced performance. What we like. This pre-workout is designed to crush every workout with enhanced energy and focus. If you need an energy boost for intense training or a physically demanding job, this is the one. If you prefer a clean formula with no fillers, soy, gluten, or artificial dyes, you should consider this. What people say. This is a high-stimulant pre-workout, and it absolutely delivers an explosive rush of energy and laser-like focus that transforms my gym sessions. Mr. Hyde gives me a consistent, clean drive throughout my entire workout, and I feel great afterward. The pump is fantastic, and my endurance has seen a noticeable improvement. It has the beta-alanine and niacin for the tingly feeling in your arms and face. There's creatine along with arginine and citrulline for a nice pump, and enough caffeine for me for solid energy but no jitters. Number 2. Jacked Factory NITROSURGE Shred Pre-Workout. Introducing a cutting-edge thermogenic pre-workout drink. It's designed for anyone looking to get lean and perform at their absolute best in the gym. Improve your physique without sacrificing hard-earned muscle. Experience clean energy, enhanced blood flow, increased stamina, and precision focus to dominate your training sessions. Boost nitric oxide levels and blood flow to the muscle. This maximizes pumps, endurance, strength, and fuels muscle growth. This potent powder contains no artificial fillers or food dyes. It's unlike any other pre-workout supplement on the market. Manufactured in a CGMP-certified facility, our products meet stringent quality control standards. This formula is completely free of harsh chemicals and artificial food dyes. Our powerful blend of thermogenic ingredients helps you achieve a leaner, more sculpted physique with every workout. What we like. This pre-workout is a cutting-edge thermogenic drink designed for those who want to get lean and perform their best. If you are looking to improve your physique without sacrificing muscle mass and want enhanced nitric oxide for powerful pumps, this is the one. If you like a formula that helps you achieve a leaner, more sculpted physique, you should consider this. What people say. Boosts energy. This supplement provides a serious energy boost. I feel more awake and ready to tackle my workouts within minutes of taking it. Sharp focus. One of the standout features is the mental clarity and focus it provides. I'm able to stay concentrated throughout my workout, which helps me push harder and get the most out of every session. Powerful pumps. The nitric oxide booster gives me incredible pumps. My muscles feel fuller and more vascular during and after workouts, which is a great feeling and motivates me to keep going. Number 1. Jacked Factory Pumpsurge Caffeine-Free Pre-Workout. Introducing Pumpsurge, the revolutionary caffeine-free pre-workout designed to elevate your training sessions. Experience a new level of performance without the jitters or crash. Achieve skin-splitting pumps and razor-sharp focus with our advanced formula. This powerful blend is crafted to maximize your muscle fullness and mental clarity. Our unique nootropic blend works to enhance cognitive function, helping you stay locked in and motivated throughout your entire workout. Boost your brain power and your gains. Enjoy all the benefits of a potent pre-workout without any stimulants. This formula is perfect for those sensitive to caffeine or training later in the day. Fuel your body with the refreshing taste of strawberry lemonade. Each serving provides a delicious and effective way to prepare for your toughest workouts. Get ready for 30 servings of pure performance enhancement. This tub contains everything you need to power through your fitness goals, one workout at a time. What we like. This pre-workout is a stim-free option for those who want intense pumps and enhanced focus without the caffeine. If you are sensitive to caffeine or prefer to work out later in the day, this is the one. If you are looking for a nootropic booster to elevate your mental game and muscle pumps, you should consider this. What people say. First off, no jitters, no crash, no caffeine buzz, just clean energy and a real boost in gym performance. The pump is noticeable without feeling artificial, and I definitely hit my sets with more intensity on training days. The focus and mind-muscle connection is surprisingly sharp for a stim-free formula, big help when I'm dialed into heavy lifts or longer sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.